Okay, so this is the problem, one of the problems you were assigned. Okay, I'm just going to rewrite it here. 6 times E 0.25 T equal 9. Undo that. Equal 9. Just real quick, can you go through the steps you took to get to that answer? What did you do? The first answer.
Okay, so I divide 6 in both sides.
Both sides by 6. Okay, and what did you do after you did that?
After dividing the 6,
Yeah.
I will get E base E
Okay.
to the 0.25 T.
Okay.
Equal to 1.5.
Okay. All right, awesome. What did you do next to get rid of this E? So to undo the E, what did you do?
Undo the 0.25 dividing, wait.
So you have here log base E. Why did you do that?
What?
So what you did, okay.
I rewrite the logarithm.
So you put this E over here as a logarithm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have log E 1.5 equal to 0.25 T.
Base E 0.5 on the right. Okay, so that's what you did. You kind of said, I'm just going to get rid of this E, and I'm going to write over here, I need another color, log with a base of E. So 0.25 T is equal to log base E of 1.5, okay? So that's correct. That's how you would do it. And then the last step is you did what? Let me just write this on here. The last step was to do what?
Divide 0.25 in both sides.
By 0.25. Okay. So that's perfect. So you divide this, the one side by 0.25, and the other side divided by 0.25. Do you know what E is? What's E?
No. Maybe that's why the next answer I got it correct.
So E is a number like pi. E is a number like pi. E is approximately equal to 2.718. You know how pi is equal to, like if you have pi, that's equal to 3.14, something 158, something like that. Okay. This is, E is approximately equal to 2.718. It's like a number. Okay. So I think the mistake you probably made, this looks right. This first part looks right. But the mistake was probably in how you came to the answer, how you evaluated that. How did you type this into a calculator or something like that? To evaluate it?
Calculator.
Yeah, okay. So if you use a calculator, this might be hard to show you. Step number 1, you want to get rid of this, 0.75, right? So if you're trying to get rid of 0.75, you would divide both sides by 0.75. Divide 0.75. Okay. And you end up with 10 W over 3 equals whatever 30 divided by 0.75 is.
40.
It's 40? Okay. Is equal to 40. Okay. Now you want to undo the logarithm. Okay. So the way you do that, okay, is you want to undo the exponent, right? So you want to use a logarithm to do that. So what you do, okay, is you're actually going to take, when I write this 40, I'm going to give myself some space. So I'm going to say this is equal to 40. What you do is you actually take the log base 10 of both sides, log base 10 of both sides. And what happens here is that these go away. and you end up with just W divided by 3 here. This part goes down here, and then this is log base 10 of 40. Now we talked about how there's 2 buttons on your calculator, right? One is just the log button. That's your log button. And one is the LN button, LN button. The log button is log base 10, and the LN button is log base E. So whenever you see just a log button without anything in it, you want to assume it's a log base 10. So this, you would just use that log button of your calculator to evaluate it, okay? So it's kind of hard to show you on here, on the screen, but you would just type in log, you don't see the 10 when you type it in, 40, and you hit enter. What did you get when you did that?
Okay, wait. So, log.
So you're going to type in log.
40.
You don't put the 10, you just put log 40. Oh, come on.
I got 1.60.
602, right? 1.60602. Okay, so now we are done with we have a basic equation. We just have to get rid of this divide by 3. And how do we do that?
What
do you think? Right now it's W divide by 3.
Multiply 3 on both sides, right?
Yeah, multiply 3 by both sides, times by 3. So W is equal to 1.602 times 3. Okay. So whatever that is, say times 3. 4.806. 806. Okay, so that would be one answer, and I think the other answer they're looking for is they wanted an exact answer. So that would be like if you didn't rewrite this logarithm like this, like that. So it would look like, I think I could fit it right up here as the first answer you would typed in would be 3 times the log base 10 of 40. That would be the first answer you would have typed in. Okay?
Okay.
All right.